Guys, I make over $70,000 a month from my car rental business, and I've trained hundreds of students who rent cars to gig workers all over the country. My student Ron Hicks hit $7,500 a month now consistently in 6 months, and half of his 8-car fleet is rented out as I'm recording this, right? Darian Harris got his first renter in just 2 weeks after joining me, and his second 2 weeks after that. That's 4 customers in just 4 weeks, and the reason they book renters that fast is that they know where the customers already are. All right, so today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get car rental customers so fast it almost feels illegal. And by the end of this video, you'll know the 5 moves to make renters come to you ready to book. All right, but while everyone else is still posting and praying, you'll be executing. So let's get into it. All right, section number 1, let's talk about this. All right, the one idea behind everything. All right, so I want you guys to picture this. All right, the phone rings 8 p.m. on a Sunday. Enterprise is closed, Hertz is closed. The guy calling just had his car die at a shop. He drives for DoorDash and he doesn't have wheels by tomorrow. He doesn't eat. Guess what, guys? Whoever answers first lands a $400 a week client who stays for months. That call is ringing somebody's phone in your city tonight. And that's the first thing to understand about this niche. Your customer is not browsing. They're in emergency mode. A vacationer plans a rental 3 weeks out and compares prices. A gig worker whose car just died has to be earning again by tomorrow morning. All right, people in emergency mode don't shop for the best option. They book the first option that shows up, answers fast, and feels safe. So this business rewards presence and speed over just advertising. All right, you don't create demand with ads. You stand where demand erupts and you answer first. All right, so every strategy I'm about to give you guys is just a different way of doing those two things. And the first one puts you in the exact spot where the emergency happens, guys. All right, so let's talk about the moves, what they get you and why they work. All right, so move number 1, I want you guys to own the body shops. Here's how you do it. Walk into 10 body shops and mechanic shops within 10 miles of your area, right? Bring pizza, leave like 5 cards each, offer referral fee for every customer that they send you. And here's what to expect. All you need is one good relationship and your car could be booked for a week, and a shop that likes to send you customers for years. And the psychology behind this is, guys, customer's car just died. This is the highest urgency a renter will ever have, and insurance is often paying the bill for them. All right, so when the shop hands them your card, you're not an ad, you're a recommendation from the person fixing their car that they trust. So trust is transferred to you for free. Enterprise built a $35 billion company standing in this same exact spot. That's where the emergency erupts, right? And so now here's how you get them to call you instead of the next guy. All right, so move number 2, it's a $29 hook. All right, so the execution for this is your Facebook marketplace listing and your postcards all say rental starting at $29. So when they call you, the $29 car just happens to be out, but you've got a Nissan Altima that goes for $60 that you can cut them a deal on and do it for say $30 or $40. So here's what to expect, guys. The phone rings and that's the entire job of that number. All right, everything else happens in the conversation. All right, and the psychology behind it, guys, is you've seen the sign that says oil changes starting at $29 everywhere, right? And you've walked out paying like $85 to $100 without feeling tricked. Guys, a low number doesn't close the sale. It just starts the phone call conversation. And the phone call is where the real person with an urgent need meets a real person, owns a car that's available today. My students' renters almost never end up in the cheapest car. They end up in the right car in the same day. The hook starts the call. Winning the call costs you nothing. And here's how. So that leads me to move number 3. I want you guys to answer first and answer always. All right, so here's the execution. Keep your notifications on your phone on. Reply to every inquiry within minutes and answer the phone after hours, especially starting off, before hours too, and on Sundays when the big rental counters are closed. And here's what you'd start to expect. You start to win renters you never marketed to, purely because you picked up. And the psychology behind this, guys, and I need you to understand this. Emergency mode. When a customer or someone needs a car today, the first trustworthy person that answers the phone wins. And that's it. Remember, guys, speed is a product that we're selling here. I once had a mentee in my academy, guys, and every time he kept on posting in the community that he wasn't getting deals. It didn't make sense to me. This guy's been doing this for a long time. And then I referred him to my ads guy to run his ads for him. And for months, he kept on complaining the same complaint. He wasn't getting leads. Until I had my ads guy investigate his account and come to find out this guy was getting over 27 calls within a 2-week period. And guess what? He barely only answered 2 of those phone calls. He let the rest just ring out. And so we called him out on it. Like, speed to lead. You have to respond. If you never pick up the phone because it's not convenient for you, you can't complain when you don't get business. So speed is super important. The person who answers a call is the one that's going to close those deals. Picking up the phone costs you $0, guys. It's just pure discipline. And it's the most unfair advantage on this list. That combination, the hook we use plus the speed, is how my student Darian Harris got his first renter after about just 2 weeks and after joining me. and his second 2 weeks after that. And these are long-term renters, all right? That's the beautiful thing about it. So now his car is gone for a long time. Here's a quick one, guys. If you want me to help you setting this whole system up in your city, all right, click the first link in the description. It takes you to a short application, all right? It takes only about 60 seconds. And if it's a good fit, guys, we'll hop on a call, a strategy call, and we'll map out your first renter together, all right? And it doesn't matter what niche you're doing, economy cars, luxury cars, or exotic cars, all right? My students typically average 22 days to their first private booking. So if you're ready to move, that's the fastest path for you. Now, those 3 moves get you customers this week. The next 2 moves I'm about to explain are what makes the customers start finding you. So hang in there, all right? All right, move number 4, guys, is getting on the map, guys. And with this one, you need to set up a free Google My Business profile for your rental business. Get it verified and ask for your first happy renters for a review. All right, here's what you expect with this one. This one compounds, all right? It's slow in week 1, but every month it runs, you get the more car rental near me searches, those turn into inbound calls, and you did nothing for it. And here's the psychology around it, guys. A renter who finds you feels like they made the choice, right? Inbound customers arrive already pre-sold, right? They negotiate less. They trust you faster, right, than anyone you chased. One of my top students, Ron Hicks, 8 cars and $7,500 a month, is setting up his Google business verification right now. The operators who win long-term all end up on Google Maps, all right? Inbound gets them to you, and this last move keeps them multiplying, right? Now, move number 5, guys, turn renters into recruiters for you. Now, the execution here is every renter gets the same offer, $50 off the next month for every friend who signs a rental agreement, right? Here's what to expect with that, right? It's going to be quiet at first. You got to put in the work. Then it starts to snowball after your first 3 to 5 renters. Long-term, this becomes like your best source for customers. The psychology, once again, is that gig workers tend to cluster together, right? Your DoorDash renter knows 5 more other drivers doing this, and a recommendation inside of that circle beats any ad you could ever run. You're paying $50 for a customer worth thousands to your business, and your renter feels like they won too. And guys, this is real. One of the operators I work with had a renter's cousin call them directly off of a postcard she kept from the car. One rental turned into the next customer without them having to even lift a finger. One of my best renters currently right now, actually, he's kind of like a broker, came from a referral. Customer that we did really good with on his wedding. He was like, man, I know this guy, the guy that actually planned this wedding. I think I need to introduce you to him. And you guys could definitely do business together. And they introduced me to this guy. And guess what? Almost every single week, like clockwork, he's sending us more customers that need cars for weddings. A referral did that. We gave good customer service to the first customer and then offered him a referral fee to send other people to us. And he took us up on that, introduced us to this guy that has eventually ended up being a pipeline to a whole bunch of other customers. All right. So that's the beautiful thing about it, right? That referral might not just be a customer. It might be somebody else or another business that can give you guys more business. All right. Imagine maybe a customer introducing you to a body shop that now opens up the floodgates of more customers, guys. That's the power of referrals. So guys, if you want to run this with me, instead of doing this alone, I want you guys to click the link in the description. All right. Fill out the application. It only takes about 60 seconds. All right. We've got over 2,300 students right now who have used the same blueprint. And on average, they get their first private booking within 22 days. All right. You need to have decent credit or some money to invest in your first car. And you need to be coachable. Plus, my mentorship is not free. You need to be able to afford that too. That's you. Apply and let's build your plan on the strategy call. If you're not ready for that yet, no problem, guys. I have a full free course on this channel that goes even deeper than this video. All right. So click the card on your screen or the link in the description for it. And if I gave you guys value, guys, as always, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next one.